What's up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In this video we are going to talk about and use and show you how to use Nero, the tire dressing from Labo Cosmetica. First of all, tire dressings, what are they for? Well, for me, mostly they are for the aesthetics. It makes a very nice look, but for me, there's an extra reason I would like to have some protection on there. Protection in the range of a tire dressing, in this case Nero, being one solvent-based tire dressing. What is the difference between a solvent-based and a water-based? Well, the solvent-based is going to dry a lot faster. A couple of things that we found when we were making this product is that we also look at the downsizes of other tire dressings. Now, one of the most common ones is the splattering. You apply a tire dressing, you think it's dry, you start driving, and then the tire dressing is no longer on the tire, but on the side of the car. That is something that we would like to improve. That is what we did with Nero. Another thing was the application. As you can see, we don't have the smooth tires like in the 1920s where it was just one tire wall. These days we have a lot of information on the tire, from the brand to the type to the design even, giving you a different type of texture other than a smooth surface. So with the gel of Nero, it's very easy to apply this product because the product is what we call self-leveling. It's going to adhere to the surface and is going to divide itself almost inside of those grooves, almost by itself. For the rest, the chemical resistance during testing has already been being improved, meaning that we have test subject and we were not satisfied with the chemical resistance because tire dressings tend to have a short lifespan because of their low resistance against chemicals. That is one of the big things that we made inside of Nero. Now for the application, it is very simple. So make sure that you use a wheeler tire cleaner, get rid of all surface contamination. That makes sure that this product is going to stick to the surface a lot longer. The cleaner the surface, the better the performance. You can expect a nice satin deep gloss finish depending on how much product you are going to apply. And the bonus part is that you have somewhat of a grading that you can go from natural finish, satin finish to a very deep glossy finish. For the rest, let me show you how it works and see if we can create a difference. You are more than welcome to increase your finish, to give a little bit more depending on your flavor. Do you like deep gloss? Do you like satin finish? Or do you want to keep it natural? It is all possible with this product. By the time you finish all 4 wheels, you have the front wheels already done and you can immediately start driving because the product will dry very fast and it will have a very long lifespan. I cannot guarantee you that glossy finish for a very long time. However, that deep dark finish I can guarantee you for a minimum of 3 to 5,000 kilometers. Tested by myself, driving back and forth from the Netherlands and Milan. That was Nero, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time.